Assalamualaikum and good morning 5 cara. Okay, are you ready to learn English? I hope you have taken your breakfast. Okay, harap-harap dah bersarapan dan bersemangat untuk belajar. Okay, so today is Thursday, 24th June 2021, 5 Mutiara English. Okay, today I want you to answer your module on page 40, okay? I want you to answer exercise number 2 and exercise number 3. Okay, right, so now, okay, for exercise number 2, read the text again and write true or false. Okay, baca teks dan tulis true, betul, false, salah. Okay, so kita kena baca ini and then baca ke atas. Alright. So, number 1. Okay, contoh dia dah bagi. Windermere is a boarding school. Okay, Windermere adalah sekolah berasrama. True. Kata true. Betul. Okay, cari ada sini Windermere boarding school. Alright. So, betul lah. It's true. And then number 2. Every week, the students go out of the school for a morning or afternoon. Okay. Setiap minggu, pelajar-pelajar keluar daripada sekolah waktu pagi atau tengah hari. So, keluar pergi sekolah lah waktu pagi atau tengah hari. Okay. Betul ke tak? Okay. You have to find from here. Cari daripada atas. Okay, number 3. Windermere School is only for boys. Okay, sekolah ni hanya untuk boys. Boys sahaja. Betul ke? Kalau betul, true. Kalau salah, false. Number 5. The school has got one boat. Sekolah ini ada satu boat. Sekolah ni dia ada boat. Tahu boat? Boat yang atas laut tu. So, kalau betul dia ada boat, satu boat, you write true. Kalau tak betul, you write false. Number 6. Ellie really likes her time on the lake. Ellie sangat-sangat suka pergi ke lake. Lake ni adalah tasik. Dia suka masa dia pergi ke tasik. Betul ke dia suka? Kalau betul dia suka, you write true. Kalau dia tak suka, you write false. And then number 3. Read the text again. Match the information with paragraph A to F. Okay. Baca maklumat dan padankan maklumat ini berkaitan paragraf yang mana? Okay, berkaitan A ke B, C, D, E or F. Okay. Okay, number 1. Okay, dia dah bagi example. The time of lunch at the school. Okay, masa makan tengah hari, dia cakap D. Okay, tengok D. Dia cakap tentang lunch. Most days, the students study subjects like maths, art, English or science from 8:45 to 4 with lunch. Ada sebut perkataan lunch. Betul lah. This is D. So, D dah tak boleh buat lagi kena pilih yang lain. And then number 1. The location of the school in the UK. Lokasi sekolah di UK, di United Kingdom. Cuba cari tentang lokasi dekat UK. Ada tak? North of England. England. UK tu dekat England lah. So, this is B Number 1 is B. Okay. The name of the lake next to the school. Okay, nama tasik di sebelah sekolah. Okay, cuba cari kat mana. And then, number 3, the name of a girl at the school. Nama budak perempuan itu di sekolah ni. Okay, cuba cari. And then, the time of breakfast. Masa breakfast. Dia breakfast pukul berapa? Breakfast pukul berapa? Cakap tentang breakfast kat mana? Ni ada breakfast. Kan? Alright. And then, some of the subjects at the school. Subjek-subjek yang dia ambil dekat sekolah kat mana? Right. Where the students climb. Di mana pelajar-pelajar ni memanjat. Okay. So, inilah. Very easy, sangat senang. Tak banyak yang perlu ditulis, tapi awak kena baca dan fahamkan sebelum jawab. Okay. Number 2 and number 3 sahaja. Okay, so that's all for today. Any problem you can ask me. And after you have finished, please take picture and WhatsApp to me. So, thank you.